From above, a brooder full of magpie ducklings looks like a living patchwork of black and white.
Belling. Magpie ducklings rely on supplemental warmth in their first days, clustering together under the heat lamp in a tight.
Daily health checks on magpie ducklings focus on navel healing, eye clarity, and overall activity levels.
By day 3, magpie ducklings have transformed remarkably. Their down has fully dried and expanded.
At 1 week, magpie ducklings are already significantly larger and more coordinated than at hatch.
At 10 days, magpie ducklings begin their first feather transition. Pin feathers emerge along the.
As magpie ducklings grow, their water needs expand dramatically. A longer trough allows more birds simultaneously. 2 weeks into their lives, magpie ducklings have doubled their hatch weight and are well into their juvenile feather growth. At 3 weeks, magpie juveniles are a remarkable sight, half feathered, half downy, but with their.
That's Camden. At 3 weeks, magpie ducklings transition from starter crumble to grower formula feed, a lower protein diet.
4 weeks after hatching, this magpie duck flock is ready to meet the world beyond the brooder.
Magpie duck juveniles take to grazing immediately on their first outdoor exposure. Their bills are perfect.
From above, the magpie duck's signet coloring creates a visual pattern unlike any other domestic waterfowl.
The first outdoor water source triggers an explosion of magpie duck cave in magpie.
Magpie ducks are completely weather indifferent, as all waterfowl should be. Light rain doesn't slow a magpie duck flock.
Magpie ducks are an alert breed, one of the characteristics that endeared them to 20th century British duck farmers.
A magpie duck flock, given adequate space, distributes itself naturally across the available area.
Magpie duck flocks in taller vegetation are at peak foraging efficiency. The grass base harbors slugs.
Fresh, clean water available at all times is the single most important environmental requirement. Magpie ducks, unlike some waterfowl breeds, adapt readily to being housed overnight, an important characteristic for predator protection on farm. Even a rain puddle captivates a magpie duck group. This instinctive attraction to any water source is deeply wired into the breed's nature. Magpie ducks are cold-hardy birds that manage conditions without difficulty, provided they have access to dry bedding, unfrozen water, and adequate feed.
Moving a magpie duck flock requires patience and quiet confidence. The breed responds well to calm, steady pressure from behind.
From tiny black and whitelings.
The farm pond is the centerpiece of adult magpie duck life. This natural water body provides not just drinking water.
Magpie ducks enter water with obvious pleasure, stepping off the bank and immediately beginning.
From above, a pond full of magpie ducks is unlike anything else in waterfowl farming.
Vigorous bathing behavior in magpie ducks serves a critical function beyond hygiene. The splashing and functions. Pond edge mud foraging is one of the most productive feeding behaviors in the mag duck's repertoire.
The magpie duck's coloring transforms in different light conditions, the same birds that appear crisp, black and white in morning light.
Adult magpie duck drakes display active courtship behavior in the months approaching and during the breeding season.
Grown. Magpie duck flocks establish clear daily routines: pond time, grazing time, rest time.
From above, a well-managed magpie duck farm communicates everything the farmer needs to know at a glance.
The evening pond visit is the last major behavioral event of the magpie duck flock's day.
The evening count as magpie ducks return to shelter is a non-negotiable daily task. Every bird.
Dawn on a magpie duck farm is the same, always different.
A magpie duck hen in the laying position is completely focused, still, low, and undisturbed by the activity of the magpie duck eggs are notable for their size and their color range, from pale creamy white to distinctly blue-green.
A magpie duck egg is approximately 50% larger than a standard chicken egg and contains a higher proportion.
A full morning's egg collection from a well-managed magpie duck flock is a genuinely satisfying sight.
Graded and packaged magpie duck eggs ready for market represent the culmination of the farm's production cycle. The label on these cartons tells the story.
The farmer market is the ideal sales channel for magpie duck eggs. The opportunity to explain the breed's characteristics, the egg size, the flavor.
A magpie duck flock in peak laying condition is a flock managed with precision nutrition. Laying hens require
Daily record keeping on a magpie duck egg operation provides the data that drives management decisions.
Annual molt is a period that every magpie duck farmer prepares for. The flock temporarily stops egg production.
Magpie duck ricks continue laying through winter at reduced rates. A characteristic of the breeds.
Winter water management for a magpie duck flock requires daily attention when temperatures drop below freezing.
Magpie duck flocks in orchards are a classic integrated farming combination.
A magpie duck shelter designed for serious egg production provides one nesting box for every 4 hens.
Magpie duck eggs, stored at 10 degrees Celsius and high humidity, maintain quality for 3 to 4 weeks. A generous shelf life.
From above, a magpie duck farm at peak production looks exactly as it should. Organized but natural, scaled to the land available.
Pasture rotation is as important for magpie duck flocks as for any livestock. A paddock continuously grazed by...
At 6 weeks, the Saxony duck flock begins its most dramatic visual transformation. The drakes are developed.
Rain is irrelevant to a Saxony duck flock. If anything, a summer shower increases foraging activity.
At ground level, the scale of a Saxony duck flock on pasture becomes fully apparent. In every direction.
At 2 months, the Saxony duck flock has reached adult size and appearance. The drakes are magnificent.
Group preening in a Saxony duck flock is both a maintenance behavior and a social one. The synchronized quality of the first time a Saxony duck flock encounters a real pond, the response is unmistakable. Every bird moves toward the...
From above at 3 months, the Saxony duck farm looks exactly as a well-managed operation should. Every zone of the farm is being used naturally by the flock.
The Saxony duck farm pond in the morning is the operational heart of the daily cycle. This is where the flock comes to bathe.
Saxony ducks enter water with complete confidence and immediate behavioral richness. Within seconds entering the pond, they are diving.
At water level, the Saxony duck's physical beauty is fully apparent. The drake's vivid blue-gray head.
The sexual dimorphism of the Saxony duck is one of its most striking visual characteristics.